Now we will learn about some important features of latitude. All latitudes are complete circle except the North Pole and the South Pole. So whatever the latitudes which are present in the earth, whether it is in northern hemisphere or in the southern hemisphere, they are the complete circle except the North Pole and the South Pole. They are point. So North Pole and the South Pole are just point. The length of the latitude decreases as we move from equator to the pole. So the length of the latitude, it keeps on decreasing when we move from equator to the pole. For example, this is our earth and this is equator. Okay, so as we move from equator, this is North Pole, this is South Pole, so and this is equator. So as we move from equator to the pole, that is, whether we move from equator to the South Pole or to the North Pole, the latitudes are decreasing. The latitudes are located at equal distance from one another. So all the different types of latitudes are of the same distance. That means, for example, if this latitude is here, so the next latitude will be with the equal distance and another one will be the same. So all the latitudes are of the equal distance from each other. The latitudes are parallel lines, hence they do not cross or meet each other. So the latitudes are the parallel lines, so they both the lines, they do not meet at, or they do not meet at any point. There are 90 latitudes to the north of the equator. So there are total 90 latitudes of the 90 latitudes to the north of the equator and 90 to the south of the equator. So for example, this is equator, so from here to North Pole there are 90 latitudes, from here to South Pole there are 90 latitudes. So total there are 180 latitudes plus 1, that is equator, equals to 181 latitudes. In total there are 181 latitudes including the equator. So including the equator there are total 181 latitudes. You can see in this picture there are important latitudes which are given here. Here is North Pole, South Pole. North Pole is 90 degree north, South Pole 90 degrees south. Here this is the equator, that is 0 degree. In the northern hemisphere at 23.5 degree north is Tropic of Cancer and 66.5 degree north there is Arctic Circle. Respectively, in the southern hemisphere also at 23.5 degree south is Tropic of Capricorn and 66.5 degree south is Antarctic Circle. So these are the important latitudes which are present in our earth, and they are just imaginary line. That means they are not present in real, but they are just imaginary, which are made by us human beings, so that we can locate any place at any time with exact location.